Greetings health aficionados. Welcome back to our channel, your go-to source for all things wellness. Today, we're tackling a topic that's been shrouded in misconceptions: the perils of going overboard with vitamin C. Before we delve into the nitty-gritty, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you're all about reliable health information. Vitamin C, the ultimate immunity and skin supporter, has rightfully earned its place as a health superstar. But what happens when enthusiasm for wellness leads us to exceed the recommended doses? Is there such a thing as too much a good thing? In this eye-opening video, we're uncovering the science, the risks, and the vital reasons behind adhering to those recommended guidelines. Stay tuned as we equip you with the knowledge you need to make informed choices for your health journey. Don't let misinformation steer you wrong. Join us as we explore the boundaries between health and potential harm, and discover why sometimes moderation truly is the key. Ready to dive in? Let's roll! Please remember to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Also, if you do check one of my affiliates, thank you. Looking to take your fitness journey to the next level? Look no further. Introducing bulksupplements.com, your ultimate destination for premium quality supplements at unbeatable prices. From bodybuilders to health enthusiasts, bulksupplements.com has been trusted by thousands to deliver top-notch products that support your fitness goals. Our supplements are sourced from the finest ingredients and rigorously tested for purity, ensuring you get only the best for your body. With fast shipping and hassle-free returns, getting your hands on the supplements you need has never been easier. Join the bulksupplements.com community today and experience the difference. Get ready to elevate your fitness game and unleash your full potential. Don't miss out on exclusive offers and promotions. Visit bulksupplements.com now and take the first step towards a healthier, stronger, and happier you. Use my personal link in the description section of this video and the discount word at checkout and save 5% on your first order. Disclaimer: this video and description may contain affiliate links. That means I might get paid a commission, at no additional cost to you, if you click on one of the links and buy something. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but it helps us to continue making quality medical videos for you. Thank you. Take a closer look at your dosage if you take vitamin C supplements. Due to dubious advice they find online, some people are going overboard and experiencing unpleasant side effects like nausea, migraines, or heartburn, or, in severe situations, painful kidney stones. Dr. Ashley Winter, a board-certified urologist and chief medical officer of Odella Health, explained why consuming too much vitamin C is not only useless but also potentially harmful. Adding too much vitamin C to your diet doesn't help your immune system because you just urinate it out. Additionally, the vitamin C in your urine converts to oxalate, one of the main factors contributing to kidney stones. You're practically following a kidney stone recipe, wrote Winter. Instead of assuming you need extra vitamins for your health because supplement needs can differ, it's important to speak with a doctor to determine what is best for you. Additionally, there is such a thing as taking too much vitamin C. Citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruit, cruciferous vegetables like kale and cauliflower, and potatoes all contain vitamin C, a water-soluble vitamin. It is crucial for the development of our bones, skin, and connective tissue. It also functions as a potent antioxidant, shielding our cells from the harm caused by free radicals. Vitamin C maintains a healthy immune system when taken at the recommended daily amount of 75 mg for women and 90 mg for men. Low vitamin C levels are undesirable, but the majority of people do not have them. According to the Cleveland Clinic, just 7.1% of Americans may experience any form of vitamin C insufficiency, and cases of severe shortage that result in scurvy are extremely uncommon. Gastrointestinal issues like nausea, diarrhea, heartburn, and vomiting are some of the milder indications that you may be consuming too much vitamin C. Clinical dietitian Dana Ellis Huns, assistant professor at UCLA Fielding School of Public Health, an author of Recipe for Survival, claimed that high dosages of vitamin C don't truly help that much. Supplemental vitamin C is unlikely to strengthen your immune system. According to Hunds, people frequently want to be healthy or to be healthier in general, and supplements are frequently sold as a relatively easy way to do so. While vitamins and minerals are necessary for a number of bodily processes, it's crucial to exercise moderation. Just because a little bit of something is good doesn't mean a lot of something is better, she asserted. During the pandemic, when many individuals were looking for natural ways to strengthen their immune systems, Winter claimed she noticed an increase in the number of patients taking excessive doses of supplements, such as vitamin C. Data indicates that sales of vitamin C surged in 2020. It doesn't help that vitamin C products are widely available and many of them make health and immune system boosting claims. Winter stated that despite the product's widespread acceptance and appeal, there isn't any data to suggest that taking large amounts of vitamin C has any beneficial effects on the immune system. There is a confusion between consuming regular vitamin C, treating scurvy, and utilizing excessive amounts of vitamin C for an immune boost, she claimed. How much vitamin C should you therefore consume? Individuals should consume 75 mg of vitamin C for women and 90 mg for men per day. According to Winter, the majority of individuals get more than enough vitamin C from eating fruits and vegetables and taking a multivitamin, so they don't need to take any supplements. The best approach to acquire your recommended daily allowance of vitamin C is to consume fruits and vegetables like oranges, strawberries, Brussels sprouts, and broccoli. According to Harvard Health, these foods are not only a rich source of the vitamin but also of calcium, which reduces the risk of kidney stones developing. To counteract the negative effects of some drugs, such as methamphetamine, or to treat specific medical illnesses that result in intestinal malabsorption issues, vitamin C supplements are advised. A person probably wouldn't require more than a 500 mg supplement even in these circumstances, which should be regularly supervised by a healthcare professional, Winters said. Contact your doctor if you are uncertain of the ideal dosage of vitamin C for your requirements. Although 2,000 mg is the daily maximum for adults, it is not recommended to even get near to this amount. Hunt stated that anything over the suggested daily allowance, possibly even up to 2 or 3 times that amount, doesn't really do you any good. You should receive your daily requirement, possibly a little bit more, and call it a day, she advised.
And there you have it, folks, a deep dive into the crucial reasons why exceeding the recommended vitamin C intake might not be the best path to vibrant health. Remember, knowledge is power, and being informed about our choices is the first step towards a balanced lifestyle. If you found this video informative and gained some valuable insights, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our upcoming explorations into all things wellness. Your support keeps us motivated to continue bringing you evidence-based content that empowers your health journey. Have any questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below, we love hearing from you. Until next time, stay mindful of your choices, keep that vitamin C in check, and here's to your healthiest self. Take care.